The Surface Roughness Converter calculates raw Rz RMS, Rmax, and RT parameters from any starting roughness measurement. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu called From Parameter, where you select your starting measurement type. The options are Ra Arithmetic Mean Roughness, Rz Average Maximum Height, RMS Root Mean Square, Rmax Maximum Roughness, and RT Total Roughness. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Ra. Below that, you'll enter your measurement in the roughness value field. Now for our example, I'll enter 10 in the roughness value field and click Calculate Surface Roughness Parameters. The conversion results show all 5 parameters instantly. Our RA input remains 10,000 micrometers as expected. The converter calculates Rz at 40,000 micrometers, which represents the average peak to valley height. RMS shows 11,100 micrometers, giving us the root mean square deviation. Rmax comes out to 50,000 micrometers, indicating the maximum single peak to valley measurement. Finally, RT equals 60,000 micrometers, representing the total height between the highest peak and lowest valley across the entire measured length. This converter eliminates manual calculations and potential conversion errors between different roughness standards. Find the link in the description below.